Hey, welcome back to the Synergy, and this Dr. Walker here. I'm excited that we're doing this again. This will be our second broadcast talking about um, life insurance, people, and finance. All right, so today I'll be giving you the topic we're going to be talking on today is that life insurance does have an end date. All right, so if you've not met before, my name is Sean Care, and presently I'm an area sales manager with Max Financial Advisors, and we walk you through the beginning of your wealth, through protection of your wealth, through building your wealth, everything it takes for you to be the wealthy person that you are. And aside from that, I am presently recruiting for trainee financial advisors. And if you're in the industry and you want to do a bit more, mortgages and all, let's have a chat. I'd love to work with you. All right. So I said for this show, we'll be talking about the things that I do encounter during my consultations and some encounters of my financial advisors too, because there are so many myths and misconceptions out there, and I do believe that when people have information, they do make informed decisions. So what I'll be debunking here, while we go on, is to maybe correct some of the narratives that's disturbing us from having the right cover or being underinsured, because there's also the danger of being underinsured. In fact, next week that's going to be our topic, the danger of being underinsured. All right. So today our topic is about life insurance and dates. So life insurance does have an end date. So last week I was having a cover. So I had a call from a new person, and she was referred to me by another of my clients, and she said to me, Dr. Sheon, I actually lost faith in life insurance. I said, why? She said, do you know that I had my life insurance? This woman is going to be, she's already in her late 60s. She's going to be 70 next year. She said she did have a life insurance, but she was told it's a life insurance, so she expected it to last for a lifetime. I said, okay, yes, it's life insurance. It's to insure your life when it ends within term. She's like, no, I don't understand that. Okay, here it is. Life insurance as an end date. Life assurance, which is also called all of life, does not have an end date. So, life insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company to insure your risk, to insure your life with for a specific period of time. Maybe you're still having children, your children are young, you're still in work, fit, active. You say, okay, if anything were to happen to me during this my active years, I want to make sure that my family is not financially jeopardized. So I need something that could replace me if I'm not here, or if I'm too ill to provide the income. You know, they say that income is king, right? Everything we do right now is to earn income, and income, your sort of income, your level of income is going to determine your quality of life. So life insurance has an end date. So for this particular woman, she had her life insurance up to the age of 65. All right. And when it was age 65, our insurance expired. And she said to me, but I didn't know that was going to expire. I said, yes, it does expire. So after age 65, what happens? She does not have a life insurance again. There's no cover again. And she totally said, oh, so for all the years I've been paying them, they didn't pay me back. Okay, that's another misconception. In the United Kingdom, right now, there is no return of premium on your life insurance. So if you do not die within the term of your life insurance, you're still alive, and that expiry date comes, unfortunately, there's no return of your premium because the insurance companies have already covered you during the period they said you are at risk, during the period that you contracted with them that you want to be covered. All right, so do we have a solution for that? Yes. And what I've been able to do for her is right now we were able to put on a new life insurance. And you know, the beautiful thing is, thank God that she still has a very good health in place. The only thing that she had was a knee replacement, and Zurich was able to give her a cover that did not disturb her from getting a cover. So maybe you've had any of your limbs replaced, knee replacement, hip replacement. It doesn't mean that you're going to be rejected. So speak to me, whatever your health challenges are. We're going to put it forward because I know last week we talked about non-disclosures, because that's really important. You don't want to hide anything. Tell me, your financial advisor, everything, and I'll know who to go to get you the right cover. And if you do get declined, Then there are a few companies that will take you on at a minimal payout, without medical underwriting, okay, without having to ask your doctor, ask you a whole lot of, yeah, did you have it out your head? Did you take time off and all of that? Yeah, I know you don't want to answer those questions, but you really, we need to know before we give you a cover so that we don't take you to on at a high risk, and then yeah, it's whether you like it or not, it's a business for the insurance company. It's a business of insurance risk, and they do take calculated risk. So life insurance have an end date. So go right now and check your policies. Let's know what the end date is. So you're going to have a start date. So the end date is going to determine how many years you got. So if your life insurance is expiring at your retirement, which mostly is about age 65, 68, then talk to me. We can get a longer term policy for you. All right. In fact, you're allowed to have your life insurance up to age 90. Yeah, tada, yes, you are. However, once you're over a certain age in your 80s, then the premium jumps up considerably more because now you're at a very, 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 very high risk. The insurance is very, 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 very at a high risk of payout. So you have to pay the premium, to cover that. However, there are one or two companies that actually have something. So what I was able to get for her was a blend of life insurance and life assurance. Speak to me and I'll let you know how you can do that to manage your outgoings, because I know the cost of living, oh god, it's everybody screaming right now. You don't want to increase your outgoings, you just want to see how you can save here and there. So if you have a life insurance in place and it will expire at your retirement, it's cheaper. Honestly, it's cheaper to be that, because in most cases you do not die before your life insurance expires, right? But if you have it as a longer term, it means that there may be, maximum likelihood for the insurance companies to pay. So yes, they'll charge you that premium just in case they have to pay within that term. Insurance companies do pay claims. The only thing that may make them not pay is you've lied. All right, you've misconstrued some information, you've not disclosed, right? And yeah, that's it. So please don't lie to me when I'm having a consultation with you, right? So check your life insurance. Let's have it reviewed. I'm happy to review it for you. It's absolutely a free service. All right. So what I've been able to do for her, I've been able to get another life insurance for her, right? It's a blend of life insurance and life assurance, and also we're working on the trust now. Now we'll be talking about why you need to hold your life insurance in trust. So if you don't have your life insurance in trust yet, also speak to me. It's a free service, right? If I do help you to get the right cover for you, and then that means that you actually save your family on 40% inheritance tax. All right, yeah. So anything that goes into your estate when you die is subject to 40% inheritance tax, except the new rate band. I think we're going to delve into that some other time. I don't want to overload you with information. So what I want you to focus right here on this one is life insurance has an expiry date. Okay, the lower the time of expiry, the cheaper your premiums are. The longer term your policies are, the more expensive it will be, because it has to like take into cognizance that there may be like a payment within that period. Okay, and aside from that, we'll also talk about income protection and why it's important for you to have your income protected, because even if you have a life insurance and anything were to happen to you, you can't work, your income source stops, your life insurance is going to cancel out because you can't meet up with the premium. So income protection is important. I will be talking about more about that. So go and check your policy. Life insurance has an expiry date. Let me know what your expiry date is, and if you can get you a better cover, a longer term policy right now, because you want to be sure that you can pay out, then talk to me. And then talk about the whole of life. So it's only whole of life, which is life assurance that does not have an end date. So even if you live up to age 150, life insurance will pay out. Yes, it's almost times 10 of what you pay in life insurance, because life assurance, it is assured. All right, that's it today. Have fun. Remember, my book is coming out, the book on insurance, and that is going to help you navigate all the jargons, like it's an insider view of what it is to have the right cover in place, the sort of people to talk to, the sort of myths that we're debunking, and how important it is for you to safeguard your family against financial uncertainty. All right, that's it for me. Over and out. Have a pleasant one. If you have any questions, please send it to me. If you have any questions, burning questions that your clients have been asking you that you want me to deal with, please send it to me. And like I said, I'm presently recruiting, all right, and I would love to have a chat with you. Let's see if we can work together and build a fantastic business, helping protect not just personal lives but also businesses. So today I was having a chat with a new business, and we're talking about the Keyman Insurance. That's another topic that we'll be talking about. So let me know over Labor Days. Remember, go check your life insurance right now. Let me know what the expiry date is and have a conversation with me. Let's do something that's going to transcend and maybe have some amount in all of life, because at least you know that can cover funeral and everything, and your family won't have to be dealing with a lot of things, a lot of financial stress aside from dealing with the pain of losing a family member. That's it. Reduction okay here again. Have a brilliant one and great. Please do share this and connect with me on social media. Connect with me on LinkedIn, and YouTube, and all of that on Facebook. All of that will be here. And yes, please go and check your policy. And if you don't have a eating trust yet, let's have a conversation. I'll help you out.